Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel and this is your last week's or first week's exclusive love reading. You must be confused, what am I saying? So July last week 23rd onwards plus August first week till the 3rd of August. This reading is going to be for you if you're a sun moon rising Taurus. If you're not resonating with your sun sign, please check out your other signs as well, rising or ascendant or maybe a moon sign. So let's see what this week is bringing for you. Your cards are already out. This is going to be a love plus career reading. We are going to start with your love life, that is your personal life in general. You've got the Five of Spheres and the Fortune Wheel. Now, this is telling me that you have had a difficult time with rejections, with somebody not loving you back, with somebody not giving you or reciprocating the same feelings, not putting in equal efforts. You felt like you're not good for anyone. You felt like nobody loves you. You felt like you have low self-esteem right now. If this is you, if you are resonating with this kind of recent events or this has always been your life, I do see that a change is going to happen for you. This difficult chapter of loneliness, of not receiving the love which you have to give from your spouse, partner, or friendships, or your own siblings and family, this is going to change for you now. With the fortune wheel, you are moving on to a next chapter of your life, a better chapter of your life, where there will be more positivity, more love, where your feelings will be reciprocated and respected as well. However, I do first see an ending coming for you, which means end of a difficult karmic chapter with someone. It could be that this week you end a lot of relationships which were not working out for you, relationships which were only one-sided. So if that was a situationship, relationship, or marriage, or friendship, or family union, anything which was not working out for you, you're going to end this week, and a new beginning is going to happen. That means a new person, or a new friend, or better people are going to come to you, which will give you the kind of love and happiness that you deserve. Okay, so this is a card of destiny. Whatever is happening right now is written in your destiny. Okay, so be very observant on what is happening this week. Whoever is leaving, let them go. Whoever is coming, let them come. Because whoever is coming right now, whoever will stay in your life right now, are the people who are going to, be there in your future as well. They're good for you, and that is why universe is doing this shuffle. Let's see what's happening in your career now. Oh, by the way, you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, or family member, friend, spouse, partner, or in your work as well. Or you could have that in your own birth chart. Two of Stars and the Seven of Suns. This tells me that you want to start something new or with your friend or a female. I do see that, or a female oriented work as well. I do see that you're waiting for some kind of reward maybe, or you wanted to pick up very fast whatever business that you start or hear from something like a positive news. Well, it is unfortunately not going to be a smooth week when it comes to your career. There will be struggles, there will be delays, okay? There will be you putting in more time and effort into something, but that doesn't mean that it is not happening. That doesn't mean that it is, uh, sorry. Yes, so like you can see, this is the time of that reminds me Mercury retrograde as well. That means there will be delays. Okay, there will be like communication problems as well. Like I'm talking to you right now, and suddenly I start coughing so much, right? Or there will be technical uh, issues in your devices, or there could be communication problems, extra fights. There could be misunderstandings in your work as well. So all these things can cause unnecessary delays in career, but eventual success is ultimately written, which means that no matter what happens this week, do not give up. Continue to give your efforts, be patient, because things are going to get delayed due to whatever reason, one or the other. You'll have to be patient, you'll have to be persistent. Yes, there will be struggles and challenges this week, but you're going to get success ultimately. So if I talk about your overall week, Taurus, it looks brilliant. Okay, I do see a difficult chapter is ending for you, a new chapter is beginning in your personal life, overall, whether you are in whatever situation. And in career, there is eventual success after a lot of hard work. Yes, after struggle. Yes, but yes, there's no way that you're not getting success. Okay, so please make sure that you are not giving up. So this is a beautiful week. If you want to claim it, this powerful reading, do comment, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that it works out faster for you. And yes, this was a general reading. If you have any specific questions on your mind, please email me or DM me directly on my Instagram handle. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I keep on posting my prices over there. Very budgeted prices I have. Okay, I have a lot of packages which are available under 1,000 rupees with a free powerful remedy of blockage removal. Apart from that, I have various services available. My cheapest services of personal reading starts at 215 rupees. I just increased that amount. It was much lower even before that. Apart from that, I do have audio video sessions separately available if you're interested with a different price, of course. And yes, I have spiritual counseling session as well. So if you feel you need that kind of therapy, one-on-one session, you want to talk to someone, feel light, and also with the help of your angels, I'm going to give you a remedy here as well, free of cost, which will be included in your price list. Go check out the prices on my Instagram handle, or if you want to make any booking, either you email me or DM me. I have a host of services available. Check out the description box below or my bio. Okay, and please hit the like button if you resonated with it, if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.